Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the surface paint-ready. Clean the cast thoroughly. Use isopropyl on a lint-free cloth to remove oils and dust. Once dry, apply a thin acrylic primer coat to seal pores. Thin the primer 20 to 30% with water for better absorption. Make sure your workspace is ventilated and protected with a drop cloth, and lay out 2 to 3 small brushes, a palette, and a water cup. This lets you begin painting immediately with predictable adhesion and color payoff. You now build the base color and texture. Mix the cast paint thoroughly, shake or stir, and test a swatch on scrap to confirm tone. Apply thin, even layers. Plan for 2 to 4 coats, letting each dry 10 to 15 minutes so layers bond without sagging. Once a coat is tacky, blend edges for seamless transitions, and while sections are still slightly wet, feather colors together. If you want texture or highlights, use a dry brush technique. After base layers cure to add dimension, you finish by protecting the paint and addressing common issues. After final color, apply a clear varnish, matte or gloss, using thin coats and allowing 15 to 20 minutes between passes to avoid clouding. If you see runs, sand lightly with 320 grit, wipe clean, then reapply small thin coats to rebuild smoothness. If paint flaking or poor adhesion occurs, strip the failed area, re-clean with isopropyl, reprime, and restart that section. This restores bond and prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.